All sounds are off. You should hear no voices whatsoever. Contaminate, to make impure or hazardous, to pollute. Make sure you get that sentence down. Back side of your card. All pens are down, you're tracking me in 15 seconds. Again, tracking me, pens are down at 5. 3, track me. 2, 1, and 0. See, that's a 1. We're not writing anything once we get to 0. Quick volunteer to read this first sentence for me, please. Action. One more time, nice loud professional voice for me so we can make sure everybody can hear, please.
Contaminated the drinking water by pouring dangerous chemicals into it.
Why would pouring dangerous chemicals into drinking water contaminate it? Fernanda?
Contaminated. People chemicals into water. People drink out of it. Medical chemicals.
Sure. Use the language of your definition. Go ahead and go a little further for me on that.
The chemical will contaminate drinking water because people drink out of the water, so there are chemicals in it and kill them.
Sure. A little bit further, there's a word there I'm looking for. Pollute and or impure, hazardous. Absolutely. Thank you for your persistence there. What might happen, or what might have happened to contaminate the sands in this ecosystem here? Harry?
Oil might be in the water.
Absolutely. Looks like an oil slick, perhaps. What's going to happen to that ecosystem, Harry? Follow-up question.
It's going to become contaminated with dirt and harmful chemicals.
What might happen then?
Animals that live there can get covered in oil and start dying.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Might affect every plant and animal in the area. Let's take a look at contaminate versus litter. Jaden, will you read the first one for me? Maybe you read the second one? Okay. Changing it to something that's now hazardous. Let's take a look and make sure we know we have that difference locked in. Contaminate versus litter. Beyond, will you read that first point for me? And Dane, you're going to read the second one, please.
Over time, particles of the plastic and leftover containers seep into the floor. Stored inside.
Food stored inside. Thank you. Volunteer who is brave and professional, who thinks they know which is contaminated, which is litter, and why. Jen? Nice and loud for me. Okay, why? Making it more hazardous? Absolutely. So littering, I think we've probably all seen somebody just chucking something on the sidewalk, right? That's littering, which is someone who is actually pouring chemicals into water, like Fernando had that example earlier, or containers that have food that is poisoned because it's seeping into it. Quick question, Ashley.
I will ask the question, why is the, you look at that in the Simpson movie where they put, he put that chemical, or in manure, or something, he put that chemical in the water, and some different species turned up. It was like a frog, it was something. It had like 35 eyes on it.
Sure.
Nasty.
So the root of your question is what happened? That water was what?
Contaminated.
Right, and therefore, starts with a T, toxic, right? So that water was toxic, it may have changed the animals in that ecosystem, right? So even though it's a cartoon, that's actually true to life. Poison in the water might change the ecosystem, right? All right, 4 quick volunteers. 1, 2, 3, and Brianna, will you do 4? We're going to read A through D. Which of the following correctly uses contaminate in a sentence? Go ahead, A.
The groundwater is contaminated by methane
Yes, sir.
from a nearby farm.
One over is affecting contaminated rivers throughout the 100-mile radius.
The vicious gossip was contaminated by our patients. Fuel become contaminated
We're going to vote using our dukes. Dukes are going to go up on 2 as they always do. 1, 2. I need 100% participation. I need to make sure that you understand, contaminate, and that you know which one is the correct usage. We're going to go dukes up again on 2. 1, 2. Much better. Nice job, KU. We're going to shoot on 3. Tell me A, B, C, or D. 1, 2, 3, or 4 fingers. Shooting on 3. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Throw them up there proud if you know it. Seen a little bit of a mix. The answer is B. That is the best and most correct usage. Absolutely. Runoff. We're talking about what? We're talking about going into rivers. We've just talked about this word a couple times. Quickly, Jane, what do you think? Jen, help me out. Toxic, but I'm talking about the ecosystem, right? The rest of them are just not correct uses of the word. Absolutely. We're moving on to our second word. Second word today. You got 60 seconds to complete this on your next card. 60 seconds for the word market. We have examples in noun and verb form today. Sounds are off while you're ferociously writing. Make sure you get the word and the sentence down. Noun example or usage, a place where goods are sold, versus verb means to sell, promote, or distribute, like marketable. A product that is marketable. Pens are down, tracking me in 10 seconds. All pens down in 5, 4, 3, track me, 2, 1, and 0. Mark, go ahead and read the sentence for me, please.
The company is marketing frozen yogurt and is hopefully going to help kids live with dessert.
Why would a company market frozen yogurt as health food? Penny, what do you think? Because it's healthy? Go a little further on that. Why would they market it as a health food specifically? Take a look at the language of your definition. Just go a little bit further for me. It's a good that's sold? Sure. What's an alternative that's not healthy that you might look at as a dessert? Cake? Sure. Specifically cold, frozen, ice cream? Absolutely. A more healthy version of dessert? Absolutely. All right. Take a look at these gorgeous peppers at the market. That's the one potential for appropriate noise. How could you use this market both as a noun and a verb? I need 2 different sentences, 2 different usages to describe this scene here. Helen.
You could say you went to the best market, and you could also say that those warehouse market is best.
Beautiful. Wonderful, thank you. Achievement credit to you. I think that was a great example. So they're laid out nicely in rows. They're well presented. They're marketable. They're nice shiny peppers. They're also probably at the market with even some signage up here. So that was kind of a small picture there. You see some signage in the background marketing which types of peppers they are. All right. Xavier, can you read this for me?
The plastic balls melted in one of the machines so they are not marketable.
What part of speech is marketable here? Fernando. Not a verb. Jane, help out. It is an adjective. So why wouldn't the dolls be marketable? Go ahead and follow up on that, Kayla.
You know the songs that they do for dolls, the name of dolls?
Specifically go to why wouldn't dolls be marketable if they were melted from a machine?
Because nobody will want them.
Absolutely.